one of the reasons for the budgeting is to find new ideas and to form new habits. So I recommend you asking those 6 questions. Which of your current expenses and current budget are within the recommended guidelines? And contrary, which of the expenses are outside of the recommended guidelines? Then again, what of the expense categories would increase over time and which ones would decrease? Also, what you yourself would like to increase and form new habits, or you yourself would like to decrease and form new habits. So while asking yourself these questions and seeing it through this lens, maybe you will come up with an idea like changing that expensive grocery store to more a bulk and discount grocery store and shopping once a week and not shopping every day, just case by case. Or delaying some of your personal nice-to-have purchases because you don't have budget for this month or for this quarter, maybe delaying it to the second part of the year, and so on, so on, so on. You will make those decisions and get those ideas when you would see your actual expense distribution versus these recommended budget guidelines.